how should you properly care for your tongue?
So, great question. How should you properly care for your tongue? So, this is one of the most ignored spot in your mouth. So, anything that you do not clean inside your mouth and that gets yucky, excuse my language, and that is not clean, that is an absolute dirty spot that you're going to have a lot of bacteria. The gums, the teeth, the tongue, and the back of your throat, the roof of the mouth, there are so many places these bacteria stay, and they will stay forever if you don't clean them. If you don't brush your teeth, they're going to get yellow and then they stay in your mouth. And same as your tongue. If you don't clean your tongue, then they stay in the mouth. So that is the reason why you need to care for your tongue. How do you properly care for your tongue? The simplest technique that I recommend, you brush your teeth. So after, what I normally recommend is, I do this pretty much every single day. And my staff even hears that when I brush my teeth inside my office almost several times during the day after my lunch. And Reese is nodding, you can see, ask him. And just now I had dinner before I came to this live show, and I was brushing my teeth after my dinner. And what I do is, after I brush my teeth, and I either use the same brush with the toothpaste on it or with no toothpaste on it, I just stick my tongue out, I clean it, and then again do it 2 or 3 times a day, and that's the minimum I recommend. If you're doing it multiple times a day, and I brush my teeth about 5 or 6 times or maybe even more, and every time I'm brushing, I'm just using my toothbrush to clean my tongue. That is the minimal you need to do, and that is more than what you need, and that is exactly what I do to properly care for my tongue. Can you do anything extra? Yes, absolutely. There are a variety of tongue cleaners. Go to Amazon and look for a tongue cleaners, and there are a variety of tongue cleaners that are available that you are able to use. And if you don't feel comfortable using a toothbrush, and you can use, or if you are not like me, you are brushing your teeth or tongue multiple times during the day, if you are doing it only once or twice a day, you can use those tongue scrapers. Pretty much you stick your tongue out and you clean your tongue using those tongue scrapers, and that is one of the best ways you care for your tongue also. And no matter whether you use a toothbrush or you use any type of specific tongue cleaners, absolutely that is the way to care for your tongue, either using the toothbrush or the tongue cleaners. And you can use some mouthwashes also, but that will help on the top of the brushing and the tongue cleaners, but they are not the replacement for the tongue cleaners or the toothpaste.